Welcome to Best Prompt Generator for AI.com, your all-in-one destination for creating smarter AI prompts in seconds. Visit bestpromptgeneratorfor.com, explore our growing collection of prompt tools, templates, and guides, and start generating smarter prompts today. Are you a fitness coach or personal trainer looking to save time and grow your coaching business with AI? In this video, I'll show you how to generate professional AI prompts for fitness coaches using bestpromptgeneratorfor.com. Whether you're creating personalized workout plans, nutrition guidance, client progress reports, or social media content, the right AI prompts can help you work faster and deliver better results. Let's see it in action. We'll use the bestpromptgeneratorfor.com website to create a professional fitness coaching prompt step by step. First, visit bestpromptgeneratorfor.com. Next, open the AI Prompts for Fitness Coaches page. You'll see a simple prompt generator where you can enter your coaching requirements. After entering the details, simply click the Generate Prompt button. Within seconds, you'll receive a detailed professional AI prompt that's ready to use with ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and other AI assistants. You will get best result here for your fitness. Just see the result perfect plan with diet chart as well. Ready to level up your fitness coaching with AI? Visit our website Best Prompt Generator and find AI prompts for fitness coaches. Explore hundreds of free AI prompt templates for fitness, business, marketing, HR, education, finance, coding, productivity, content creation, startups, legal professionals, and much more at bestpromptgeneratorfor.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tools, productivity tips, and educational content. Thanks for watching.